have to keep track of your marshmallows.
Yeah, we're gonna keep track. How do I look?
Awesome.
How do you look? Awesome, just say it, right? Alright. Hi guys! How y'all doing? You ready for the Chubby Bunny Challenge? Me and Angel are gonna try it out, guys. We got our bag of marshmallows right here. The Kroger brand. Are you ready to give it a rip?
I'm ready.
Alright. Here we go. One marshmallow for you. And one for me. And then we'll start. Let's put these right here. You can just reach right there and grab another one. Boom. Alright guys, you ready?
I'm
You sure?
ready. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I don't see us getting the 10 I thought we might get. I already feel like a rabbit now.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Here's 4. You think we can do it?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Hey, there's the neighbor. You think he'll see us in here? Here's 5. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Alright. And here's 6.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You're 7.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. That's it. I almost puked. Whoa.
I keep losing my hat.
I almost puked. I ain't lying. It was pushed in there on my throat.
Can't put my hair.
Oh, your hat is crooked.
Okay.
There you go. All right, guys. So we didn't get the last one. What we get? 9?
I thought you said 10. Oh,
No,
yeah,
we
9.
didn't get the last one.
Right.
There's no way. We barely got the 9. There it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy Easter,
Bye-bye.
everyone.
I'm all dirty. Look at that. You throw that away, honey.